guys, this is my mom's craft channel, and her channel is called Craftypenpalmoma, and today I'm going to be die cutting.
What are you die cutting? What do you got?
A log.
What shape are you using to cut it? Is that a ticket die?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you doing there?
I'm putting the die in the middle of these.
The plates?
The plates.
Alright, what's next?
And then I'm going to put them in the die cutting machine. And then when I'm done...
Ooh, we got paper mess everywhere. That's okay.
Yeah.
Crafters are messy sometimes, huh?
Yeah. And when I'm done doing this, twisting it, it's going to make the log shape. And
that one's stuck pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Can you get it? I don't know why they get stuck sometimes. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. Show us what you got. You threw your scrap away. Thank you very much.
This is my mom's die.
Okay, let's see. Ooh, look at that, a ticket, and it's a log. I had some printouts that were, the picture came out kind of fuzzy. Yeah. And I didn't want to, see, here it is. See, the pictures are a little bit fuzzy. And I didn't want to just throw them away, so now he wants to try to die cut some of these critters, and that's what he's doing.
Yeah, and before I get to die cutting some else stuff, I'm going to show you these tickets I made before making the video. Here's a polka dot ticket. Here's a pink ticket.
Here, go slow so we can see it, okay? You gotta hold it up so we can see it.
Here's a green ticket.
Yeah.
Here's another green ticket.
Mm-hmm.
And here's this
Funky stripes?
Yes.
They stuck together?
Yep, and then...
We didn't see the striped one.
Oh.
And then what? Show us those last two.
And then a pink one.
A pink one. Okay. You gonna die cut some more stuff?
Yes. I want to make another pink one and another green one.
What are you gonna do with these tickets?
I'm going to make a Lego machine that fits these, and I have Lego people, so I'm gonna add those in there too.
Okay. Alright, well we're gonna die cut some more tickets, huh? Yeah. And say we'll catch you on the next video.
We'll catch you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye. Hey guys, I forgot to tell you my name's Corbin, and I'm going to show you one last ticket die cut, and after I do this, I'm going to go get my Legos and build the Lego machine. So let's get started. You might remember how to do this die cut, but if you don't, okay, one more time. Okay, so you put the die cut in the middle of these plates.
With your paper, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put it in the machine, hold it down, and then crank it.
That is the best die cutting tutorial ever.
Yes. And I forgot to tell you what we're die cutting. And we're die cutting a snail.
Yeah, that one's a snail from the piece of paper.
Yes.
Thank you for throwing your scraps away.
You're welcome.
Let me see. You can show us? A snail. How cute.
Okay, so now let me go get definitely need to build my Legos.
And maybe we'll be back later. Right?
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.